Following on from the Power of One formula video that I last posted, I want to show you some more examples about how this can help reports. We're going to look at a case report today that shows us open cases by origin, so where did they come from, and how many accounts have got cases and how many cases there are. So let's take a look at the report build. Let's go into the Reports tab and create a new report. This type of report is going to be a cases report. Click on Start Report and let's start by changing the filters. We want to look at just those cases that are currently open. So I'm going to use the Open field where it is true and click Apply. We're looking at all cases opened all time, so we just want to see all the open cases. I want to look at where the case came from, so we're going to use the Case Origin field to do the grouping. So this is web, phone, email, for example. I might also want to be able to see what the status of those cases are, so I could include that in my column grouping. We must remember to add in our Power of One formulas. So we have the Cases field and we have the Accounts field. These are our counts of those types of records. I can also take off the row counts, like I did in the previous report, to carry on and then run that report. And it now shows me at the top of the page here, there are 75 open cases relating to 40 accounts. So we have 40 companies that we're dealing with, and there are 75 open cases, and I can see the origin of those reports. Let's go ahead and add a chart. Click on the Add Chart button. It's going to default to a bar chart like this, but I might want to also be able to see how many accounts there are in this report. At the moment, it's just showing me the sum of cases by origin. I might want to know how many accounts have been affected. So let's go ahead and add in a measure on our x-axis. Currently showing sum of cases, I want to add in the sum of accounts. If I now go ahead and save that report, I'm going to call it Open Cases by Origin, and I'm going to save that report. Here we have our bar chart, and it has now got both bars showing us the details of how many cases and how many accounts have raised cases by phone, email and web. If you found this video useful, please do like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel, JetCloud Joe, for more handy tips.